Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites so you don't chase phantom errors. Update the YouTube app and your device OS because old builds often block preview features. Once done, verify a stable internet connection, Wi-Fi or mobile at reasonable speed to stream the thumbnail and video data. Make sure you're signed into the exact Google account that uploaded the short. Mismatched accounts can make the preview appear unavailable. Now that those items are set, proceed to live debugging steps to force a preview load. You now force a preview reload to diagnose whether the problem is local or with YouTube. Clear the app cache or force stop and reopen the app. This removes stale data that blocks previews. If that doesn't work, trim and re-upload a short 5 to 60-second clip so the processing queue restarts. Sometimes reprocessing regenerates the preview frame. Also toggle between recording in the Shorts camera and selecting from uploads, and test an upload from the desktop web studio to compare behavior and isolate the issue. You're at the finish line. Verify the Shorts processing status in YouTube Studio and wait until it shows as processed. Previews often appear only after full processing. Make sure to test on a different device or browser to determine if the problem is device-specific. If the preview still won't show, collect the video ID, timestamps, and screenshots, then report a bug through the app's feedback with those details so YouTube support can trace server-side issues. Key tip: try a 1-second re-encode. It often triggers preview regeneration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.